Oh. Hah? Nalalagi dia. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel after such a long time. I mean, I've uploaded a video on 1st of Jan, but that's not a proper vlog. That's not what I do actually. कुछ नया दिख रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? Did you guys notice something new? Yeah, you guessed it right. I got a new bike for myself. भाई ने 2020 में नया बाइक खरीद लिया है. And this is my new bike. And हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी सोनोका, जो कि है मायोंग के अंदर. Right now the time is 8:34. Just came out for a morning ride with my friends. In front of me is Vivek riding the MT-15 owned by Priyajit, the Chalia boy. So it's the Gixxer 250 2019 edition BS4. Purchased it on 23rd of December, and that's Abhilash and Sumit has also joined us on the Bullet 350. थोड़ा आगे जाके कहीं पे रुका के we'll show you some cinematic shots of the bike, and it's gonna be a short video. And guys, I forgot to wish you all a very happy new year. So happy new year from my side, and yep, happy new year from Chalia boy too. And look at the view, man. You guys can come for camping in here. So there's two new bikes in the group, the MT-15 and the Gixxer 250. And भाई का फीलिंग बताइए.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है नया बाइक.
तो लॉन्ग राइड्स कब एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
लॉन्ग राइड्स आफ्टर 15.
आफ्टर 15?
हाँ, उसके बाद हम लोग
कौन सा 15?
जनवरी 15.
Okay.
So after January 15 we'll start, we'll go for long rides.
And wish you guys a very happy new year.
Yeah.
From us.
Yes.
Hey, happy new year को.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
यहाँ पे प्रियजित भाई पोस्ट देते हुए अपने नई दुल्हन के साथ. शर्मा क्यों रहे हो जी?
नहीं शर्मा रहा हूँ.
मत शर्माओ.
दिखाओ कैसा है. Just for Instagram.
Not only for Instagram, अभी YouTube में भी जाएगा.
हाँ, अच्छा है, बढ़िया है. YouTube में भी जाना चाहिए. YouTube तो मेन है ना. Insta है.
And subscribe his channel Chalia boy.
Yeah.
बंदा जल्दी ही मोटोव्लॉगिंग के लिए उतरने वाला है YouTube के मैदान पे.
We're going for a photo session now towards the riverbank. As you can see, it's a nice place. A lot of people around. 5 people.
So we are leaving this place now and we'll be heading towards home, and before that we'll have a breakfast somewhere, and let's see you guys on the road.
Would you believe me if I told you I was wrong? But I'm better now and right where I belong. Yeah, I know it's easy to forgive if you forget, but some things they hang around much longer than we could. I just want you to know that everything is better now.
आ गया सुमित का स्टॉपेज। बाय बाय
बाय मजा লাগিলে
मजा और हो থাকিব এতিয়া। यहाँ से प्रियाजीत भाई जाएंगे नुनमाटी, मैं जाऊंगा 6 माइल के साइड, मेरा घर उस साइड ही है, और ये लोग जाएंगे सातगांव।